onto a conveyor belt and sent into the pulper unit. Separate any soil, pebbles and sand from the mixture. Next, the pulp is passed through a screen and the uniform size pulp passes straight through. Any bigger chips are separated. After the impurities are removed, we can see clean pulp. Now the clean pulp is fine-tuned for the final process and sent to the head box of the machine. Friends, next up you'll see one of the main manufacturing processes of making kraft paper. A thin layer of pulp is processed . You can see that the pulp has dried at high speed and is clearly looking more like paper. To maintain the size, the kraft paper is passed by two types of press rolls. This is really one of the most satisfying processes to watch, as 47% of the moisture is removed. For the uniform width of kraft paper, it is cut with a high pressure water jet. You can see that such fine paper is cut with precision. After that, after the colour has dried, a giant kraft paper roll is ready to be lifted out with the help of a crane. Next, the roll